I have 5 camellias that are over 10 years old. All have grown beautifully, but one puts out buds about 1 inch long and maybe 1/2 inch diameter. And then the buds easily fall off the tree. Every year I treat all 5 the same way, water and identical fertilizer. This year the little brown buds hang on through the blooming season, but still no blooms. It's even the same height and width as its fellow camellias. What can I do to help this one camellia to actually bloom? Thanks for your help. This is Cheryl from Clover, South Carolina. So It's just that one.
It's that one.
It's the one out of the 5.
Yeah.
But it's not blooming. So what do you think? What comes to mind?
Well, it is getting blooms, but they're dropping off.
They're just dropping off the buds, right?
One thing that's real critical is early spring and late summer, the camellias do not like to be dry. So you got to make sure that time of year, and that is the time of year that causes them to possibly drop their buds.
Okay.
So those are 2 critical times that she needs to make sure there's enough water on them. Now, we don't know if they're under irrigation. We don't know how she's watering them.
How much water she's
putting on them. But because the others are doing fine, this screams to me of the same example of, I have a plant, the same plant on either side of my front door.
All right.
But one side doesn't look good that the other one does, and there's not that far apart. There's some kind of environmental condition that is causing that particular one to have problems versus the others.
Right.
And the only thing that I can think of is, because it talks about needing water at those 2 times of the year, well, is there a tree or is there something else that is sucking the water away from that particular plant more so than the others?
Yeah.
But there's a Clemson University publication on care, and we can put that on the website too.
Right.
But those are the little things that I could think of that I found that can cause bud drop.
Okay.
And because there's a flower blight, but they bloom first.
Right.
And they're not blooming.
Right.
They're dropping off, and they need water. Those 2 critical points: early spring, late summer. And I would say maybe this year try to water them more than the others.
Okay.
And see if that works.
That particular one.
Mm-hmm.
Even watering. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And 2, I wonder how much water she's putting out. Okay. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.